Shiba Inu becomes the most traded cryptocurrency in 2024, and a 4,400 Shiba Inu investment turns into 172 million US dollars in April 2024. In this video, I am going to address how Shiba Inu has emerged as the most traded cryptocurrency in India in 2024, surpassing Bitcoin on WAZIRX, the country's top trading platform. In March, SHIB experienced significant growth, outperforming other tokens like BTC, PEPE, FLOKI, and DOGE. This surge in popularity led to Shiba Inu becoming the most preferred choice among Indian investors, with a remarkable spike of nearly 280% in just 30 days. I am also going to be talking about the special thing about Shiba Inu's path, which is now how much money its first supporters have made. In the past month alone, Shiba has gone up by 20%, which means it has already made over 160% in profit since the start of the year. This big growth is because more people are excited about meme coins like Shiba and are starting to see cryptocurrencies as a good type of investment. Lastly, as a bonus, with an article on Bitcoin Magazine about how miners turn record profits into new strategies. With Bitcoin's next halving set to take place this month, miners are using record profits to adapt their business models for chaotic opportunities. So if you hold Shiba Inu or you are just about to purchase some, this video is for you and you have to watch till the end. But before we go on, there's something that needs to be said. I am not a financial advisor, so get that out of your head. I'm here to educate, helping you navigate your crypto journey ahead. And I must also say that every digital asset I talk about in the channel, I hold in my portfolio. In fact, I have more than I talk about for now. So let's begin. The first article we're going to look at is Shiba Inu becomes the most traded cryptocurrency in 2024. The article is by Concave. Shiba Inu emerged as the most traded cryptocurrency on WAZIRX, which is an Indian cryptocurrency exchange, in 2024. This achievement was celebrated by the Shiba Inu team as a positive development. Despite regulatory challenges in India, Shiba Inu has established a strong presence in the country. The surge in Shiba Inu's trading volume on WAZIRX can be attributed to the crackdown on overseas exchanges, which has allowed local platforms like WAZIRX to flourish. This shift has likely contributed to the increase in popularity and trading activity of the Shiba Inu on the platform. In March, Shiba Inu surpassed Bitcoin, PEPE coin, FLOKI, and Dogecoin in terms of trading volume on WAZIRX, making it the most traded digital asset on the exchange for the month. This feature is not the first time Shiba Inu has appeared on WAZIRX rankings, as it was the second most traded cryptocurrency on the platform in 2023. Despite a weekly price decrease of around 10%, multiple analysts remain optimistic about Shiba Inu's future, predicting a bullish trend with the potential price increase, and some analysts have also suggested that Shiba Inu's value will reach its all-time high if it surpasses the major resistance level of 33,285 points. Now, the community-driven initiatives and strategic moves by the Shiba Inu team, such as the relocation of the lead developer, Satoshi Kusama, and the integration of Shibarium, have all contributed to the meme's coin growth and potential for further expansion. Now, the real reason why WAZIRX experienced this is because the Indian government is working to control cryptocurrency exchanges, including those based outside of India, which are used by Indian citizens. Now, the Financial Intelligence Unit, which is FIU, has sent letters to 9 of these exchanges, asking them to explain why they should not be banned in India. These exchanges are believed to be operating illegally in India and not following the country's law against money laundering. The Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology has been asked to block these websites for these exchanges. With WAZIRX being the only big exchange in India, most investors are using the platform for crypto investing, hence the surge in trading activity. Now, I personally support this, considering what happened with FTX Exchange and others like BlockFi and Celsius. I've said it a number of times now. When an exchange goes down, the money is not lost, but it is transferred from the people who have invested in those assets. For instance, it might be early investors and those who sold early before the exchange faced those troubles that are being faced. and only those who are holding the bag will be left. So those are the guys who are going to lose. So to the government of India, big up for supporting your people. Comment below on what are your thoughts on the Indian government restricting unregulated exchanges from overseas. Now moving on to the second article, still on Shiba, we've got 4,400 Shiba Inu investment turning into 172 million US dollars in April. This is according to Wachakuru. Now, Shiba Inu has been a lucrative investment for early adopters, with some turning small investments into millions or even billions. Since its launch in 2020, Shiba has seen a rise of about 85 million% at its peak. For example, an investor who bought 8,000 worth of Shiba in late 2020 saw their investment balloon to a whopping 5 billion when Shiba reached its all-time high back in 2021. Now, another investor who purchased 25 trillion SHIB tokens, which were worth around $2,000 in their early stages, would have seen their investment grow to about 1 billion if they had held on for a few more months. Now, in the past 30 days alone, Shiba Inu's value has risen by 20%, adding to its already impressive gains of over 160% since the start of this year. Now, this phenomenal growth has been fueled by renewed investor interest in meme coins and the wider adoption of cryptocurrencies as a legitimate asset class. Now, this article highlights unlocking wealth through dollar cost averaging. Illustrating Shiba Inu's transformative potential is the concept of dollar cost averaging, which is also called DCA, a strategy where investors consistently allocate a fixed amount to an asset regardless of price fluctuations. For instance, an investor contributing a $120 monthly to Shiba from March 2021 to April 2024 would have accumulated a total investment of 4,400. Today, that sum would have multiplied into an outstanding 172 million US dollars, highlighting the wealth generating capacity of steadfast long-term investment. Lastly, we have an interesting article by Bitcoin Magazine with Bitcoin's next halving set to take place this month. Miners are using record profits to adapt their business models for chaotic opportunities. Now, the halving is almost upon us this month to be exact, as the whole world of Bitcoin awaits with bated breath for mining rewards to be cut in half. The potential for new revenue streams has left us wondering how the space will react to new market conditions. Halvings in the past have generally been associated with prosperity for Bitcoin. Not just Bitcoin, but the whole crypto market. They've also been known to shake up previously held assumptions in a big way, and this year we have seen Bitcoin making an all-time high before the halving. What else are we going to see this year? Now, we're already seeing a few examples of these market changes. Just to name one, the larger miners have been modernizing their equipment to ensure maximally efficient hardware. Now, this has led to a fire sale of the outdated equipment from these companies, with many thousands of mining rigs finding their way to aspiring miners in Africa and Latin America. The cheap hydroelectricity from Ethiopia has already been attracting international capital to become a new mining hub, and a large portion of these rigs are going there for pennies on the dollar. Now, I want to urge the people from Ethiopia to embrace this, and we are happy for them. We know that the dam your president built almost started a lot of trouble for you with countries like Egypt. But in life, nothing comes easy. Now, these are some of the benefits you are going to have, guys, having a Bitcoin mining company in your country. So to you, my fellow crypto investors who just started investing with less money, I want to urge you to continue investing in crypto. Not just in Shiba Inu, but in assets outside the traditional markets. The reason I focus on Shiba is to inspire you and to start investing and having a bit of knowledge on crypto, with the hope this will make you interested to research more about the market, so you can invest in real world assets that will generate generational wealth for you and your family. To my fellow black people, with this channel, I hope to inspire and instill a drive to start investing your money. The only way to get out of the matrix is to invest in assets that will have the potential to increase in value over time. So let's stop the mindset of being consumers and users of products only. Let's develop a mindset of owning. Let's develop a mindset of owning things, owning assets. It could be crypto, real estate, gold and silver, or having your own company. Now, if you want to see more of this type of content, Please subscribe and like the video. My goal is to reach more people in 2024, especially in Africa, so we can get our youth to learn more about investing and entrepreneurship. I'm planning on turning the channel into a podcast later on, so I can also bring people I know personally who can help us invest the knowledge we have acquired to the people of the world, not just black people. So that's it for today's guys. Cheers.